Hello?
Hey, can you help me with something?
You're learning bio, I'm gonna teach you all of the things that you don't know. Where has the year gone? It did not seem long, 'cause we've been having so much fun.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember all the enzymes inside, like all the names and the functions, and the specific sites. You said it's too late to learn them, but is it too late to try? And all that time that you've wasted, all my disease has been cured by my immune system. With white blood cells, I'd be paralyzed by those viruses. If Osmosis Jones can't do his job, then I would be deceased. You're learning bio, I'm gonna teach you all of the things that you don't know. Where has the year gone? It did not seem long, 'cause we've been having so much fun. If all those keystone species don't exist, ecosystems die like dinos did. All those body systems will amuse someone who loves bio like we do.
Oh, you turn your colors to yellow to avoid the predators. Some kind of super defenses to keep you from being prey. When Darwin looked at the finches, he noticed they had evolved, but they were still the same bird, so all of the finches were found. That's natural selection working to change two different species who were broke apart by geography. Now even those birds, they can't interbreed. You're learning bio, I'm gonna teach you all of the things that you could know. Where has the year gone? It did not last long, 'cause we've been having so much fun. If all those keystone species don't exist, ecosystems die like dinos did. Yeah, that rock dissection will amuse someone who enjoys life like we do. Yeah, you're learning bio.
Man, learn this stuff. It is almost summer, so you're probably sitting around wondering why you really have to learn all this now. Well, honestly, it's because Pay told us that we had to. So remember that Mendel really likes peas. Dolly the sheep is named after Dolly Parton, the singer. She's the first mammal to be cloned from a somatic cell. Scientists use the process of nuclear transfer. Twist. That's what you do to a stick. If you have a really gross worm that is parasitic, don't go in water where they lay all their eggs, but then you're really screwed, because sad to say, there's even more. And transcription is just the first step of gene expression. DNA is copied into RNA by RNA polymerase, so you can go and tell Pay how much you remember now.
You're learning bio, I'm gonna teach you all of the things that you don't know. Where has the year gone? It did not last long, 'cause we've been having so much fun. If all those keystone species don't exist, ecosystems die like dinos did.
Other body systems will amuse someone who loves bio like we do.
Yeah, you're learning bio.
Just keep going, they can't see your mouth. Oh, now they can. You turned it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Wait, Maggie, am I supposed to go down head first? No! Yeah, go down, go down.
What you gonna do with all that junk inside your trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk. My lovely lady loves.
Go! Go! Oh, are we going back to that one? Yeah. Oh, no! Wait, hold on.
Hold on, stop. I don't know what happened. You didn't tell me that the shutter would close. I need to look at the box.
Hey, you need to look at the box. You already did that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Yes, fishies have
You now see the rare daily bird with the inconspicuous Josh bird. They are doing a mating ritual, if you haven't noticed.
I did it last week.
Oh, this is serious. He just took off her jacket. Oh no, another male bird came. His name is Jacob. They are now fighting over the daily bird. Oh, Jacob Bird's doing better. Oh no, Josh Bird's trying to get her attention. Oh no, Daily Bird is very indecisive. Look at her struggling. I think it might be Jacob Bird. Let's see if she stuns us.
No.
Oh no, Josh Bird has. Oh, Josh Bird just gave her something. Oh no, she rejected it. So I guess the Daily Bird doesn't like either one.
Bring, bring, bring.
Hello?
Hey, can you help me with something?
Jacob.
I'm recording.
Hold on, there's a car.
Okay, that's nice.